What's up, guys? It's been a while, so I wanted to do an EDC update. I'm just going to start off with this. You guys have seen it before. The little med kit that I got from JP that I added, or I didn't add, but I replaced the tin foil a lot because I use it as a lid. I took away a few things just to make it a little bit slimmer. And then it has this lighter that I never use in it. This will be in my left cargo pocket when I'm wearing cargo pants, but you know, sometimes I wear jeans like I am today, and it will go in the left breast pocket of my jacket. So you know, technically this is not an EDC item because I don't have it on my body at all times, even though I have it with me in some thing I carry or leave in my car. But going back to my back left pocket, got bandana. You guys have seen that a million times. Back right pocket, even though I don't carry that med kit, I still have a few. Can't really. You can sell it. I need to put 2 more in here because I used them. I gotta cut, but I keep band-aids in the back. Nothing special. I keep extra dog bags for my dog in here, as well as a sail needle. That reminds me, I meant to put some string in the medkit. Going to my keys, just got keys on this end, carabiner, got an Inca space pen, spuds, microfiber cloth. You can see it's tucked up in there. Keys, pretty simple. Watch. Since my birthday, I've been rocking this Timex Expedition. Really like it. It's nice and simple. Just exactly what I need. And I wanted an analog watch, just in case, you know, something were to happen. I don't have a compass. I can still use this to navigate by. Going to my front right pocket. In the change pocket is where I carry my multi-tool. That is the Leatherman Juice XE6. Great multi-tool. Has just about everything you could possibly need. I do a review on this. It's actually still my most watched video. Mainly because I think I'm the only person that has one of these, and I can't figure out why. You know, it's kind of hefty for a multi-tool, but it weighs about the same as, say, like a Wingman or a little less than a Wave. Getting into smaller blades, since I already have that, and I'm going to be getting a neck knife. Something like the SE Zula or the SE2 maybe, or something like the CRKT Minimalist. So I've been carrying knives that are smaller. One of my favorites has always been this Benchmade Mini Griptilian. I don't like the half serrated, so I might in the future get a non-serrated one. And then last couple things, it's colder, so chapstick. That's just original chapstick brand chapstick. Another microfiber cloth, and then a lighter. I'm going to take a break for a second because I can hear it. Well, I'm going to take a break for just a second. I got to let the dog in, so I guess the camera knew that. But I'll be back. Alright. Back now. The only pocket I have left is my front left pocket. Attached by a carabiner, if you can tell. This is more like the just in case stuff. I have added to this since my last EDC video. Nothing in terms of like keychain gear that's in here. Sorry, One of them fell out. Got it caught on the bag. Okay. In terms of the keychaining gear, you know, nothing's changed. Just got the Let My Firefighter Steal, the Rescue Me rescue tool, and then the County-Com 4-inch widget pry bar. And that's all in this old headphones case with a carabiner. And then what I added to that were 2 of these, the little fire straws, just because it's nice, it's compact, lightweight, and they're sealed. So it's just got 2 petroleum jelly cotton balls stuffed inside there, with a little bit of magnesium shavings, just a bit of Surefire, because I realized I wasn't keeping any tinder on me. But that's that. You know, it's nice, it's compact, like it. And then last item, flashlight. You guys have seen before. Chad from Sufficient Survival does a review on this. I'm going to be reviewing it soon, but I wanted to wait till this end of this month. I think it's been 3 or 4 months now that I've been carrying this every day. Very impressed. Very bright, 100 lumen flashlight, momentary on, and then full on, obviously. And it's a great flashlight. It's actually brighter than my headlamp. So sometimes when I've been hiking back at night, I've actually used that instead of my headlamp, and it's worked out great. But that's it. That's all I have in my pockets. I really would love to see your guys' EDC, what you carry with you every day. You know, it doesn't have to be as comprehensive as that. It can be just a knife in your wallet, you know, knife, wallet, watch, something. He's quite the jumper. He's very good at that. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.